What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download or install Talkie Soulful AI. So, you might be wondering, how do you actually download the Talkie Soulful AI here? Well, downloading and installing this is fairly easy. Now, if you're using Android here, obviously you may be using Google Play Store. Now, the great thing about this platform or this website here or this AI, you can actually install the app via Google Play Store. Let's go open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go and click on the search at the very bottom center here, and just type in Talkie Soulful. Let's go and just click on search at the very top here. Just type in Talkie Soulful, and basically search for it. And as you can see, it's available in here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Click on install. And the installation should take a few seconds or a few minutes here, depending on your internet connectivity or your internet speed. So let's just wait for this one. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on open once it's actually installed. And from here, you should now be able to start using it. Just click on accept and continue, and basically start using the app itself. So yeah, so you just need to specify a few things here, like your gender, in this case your age as well, and just click on enter Talkie. But yeah. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.